Hello everyone, this is German language trainer Koushik. To say the least, I am extremely passionate about German language. I am from India and I lived in Germany for almost 6 years. During my stay in Germany, I pursued master's degree in mechanical engineering and I also got several certifications, awards and accolades in German language. In Germany, apart from studies, I worked in customer service where I always used to converse with my colleagues and customers in German language. I in fact used to stay with German flatmates with whom I was always communicating in German. I had learned this language with so much passion that I have decided to teach in my own way what I have learned. Although I was involved in German teaching activities in my German university much earlier, I started my actual teaching career in the beginning of 2019, which is when I came back to India. From then on, the journey has been nothing short of pure joy and satisfaction. I have rich experience in teaching different age groups, all the way from 8 years of age to even 60 years of age. And I cater to the needs of different syllabus, such as CBSE, International School Syllabus, and even Goethe approved syllabus. Such a versatility you can expect from me. Initially, I was teaching in a renowned language institute in Bangalore, and from the experience I got there for 1 year, I became more serious and started to teach in my own academy. And now to tell you a little bit about the achievements, I had attained 100% in German grammar in an examination called DSH, which is a level that comes after B2.2. And probably the biggest achievement so far in my teaching career is that I have completely transformed the grade of one student who was failing initially in his German school syllabus, and then through my tuitions and through my extra individual attention, he stood second in the whole class, for which his parents were extremely happy and thankful. You can read all the genuine reviews of my students in the testimonial section of this website. That's all about my intro. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to book my free demo class before you can actually enroll for the paid course. Bye then. Looking forward to having you on board.